Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm about to have the worst experience of my life. Maybe, I don't know. So I'm about to attempt to put fake false lashes on for the first time ever, and it's about to be a disaster. So let's get into it. So I got these fake lashes in my 12 Days of Beauty box, and I was like, this is the perfect opportunity to try fake lashes. So here we go. Measure, trim, step 1, glue, wait 20 to 30 seconds, step 3, apply 4, push down with 2 fingers, and then, remove, And then first of all, these girls' eyelashes do not look that good. I can't even open the package. This is the fakest pair of tweezers ever. Even fit my length. How would they go on? Like this, I guess? Her lashes are longer. It's like the same length, like there's nothing. I guess I would just hold them in the tweezers with my left hand. And I'm gonna pop out the glue and unscrew it with my right hand. And you let it get tacky? Is the word I've heard? Tacky? Maybe, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna start with my right eye, just to figure it out. Maybe my hand would be easier. Can you even tell a difference? Oh my god, it's coming off! Ugly. How many of you wear fake lashes and how many of you don't? Because, difficult. I'll probably get like one answer, it's fine. You can see so much of the glue. Oh my god, this is not a good look. Okay guys, so that was me attempting to put on fake lashes for the first time. It is a complete disaster. They're on my eyes right now and they probably look like crap. I don't want to rip them off. It's not gonna be fun. I don't like it. Oh my god. Oh, this one wasn't even on. Really? Okay. Well, there you guys go. That was me trying false lashes. I will probably never ever wear false lashes because I do not like the feeling. I do not like how they feel. And these are the same length as my regular lashes, so I'm doing something right. So if you guys like that video and you liked watching me, then you should press that subscribe button down below. I post videos every Friday, so I'll see you guys next week. Bye!